Imperative sentences. 1. Order/command V1 plus ob. Bring a cup of tea. Wash your face. Get me a cup of tea. Get him a cup of tea. Have some breakfast. Take bath. Wear clothes. Get on the bus. Get off the bus. Talk in English. Wash hands. Switch off the light. Go to the doctor. Go back. Sonu, bring a cup of tea. Keep quiet. Close the door. Help me. Wash your clothes with soap. Search your phone. Bring the key of gate. Always speak the truth. Think about your future. Chop the bitter gourd with knife. Order in negative, don't plus V1 plus ob, don't make fun. Don't tell a lie. Don't shout at me. Don't walk with me. Don't pluck flowers. Don't open that window. Don't drink wine. Don't roam here and there in the school. Don't listen to me. Don't peep in his house. Don't make fun in grandpa's room. Don't sleep with a blanket. Don't drag the table. Don't use mobile here during class. Don't yell at children. 2. Request/advice, please/kindly plus V1 plus ob. Please speak English. Please listen to me. Please help poor. Kindly stand here. Please trust me. Please find out the solution of this problem. Please give leave for 2 days. Please help poor. Please listen to me. Please talk to your father. Please write properly in your notebook. Please bring water. Requesting negative. Please plus do plus not plus V1 plus ob. Please don't drive fast. Please don't smoke here. Please don't waste water. Please don't be shy/hesitate. Please don't tease poor. Please don't talk in library. Please don't follow me. Please don't trust him. Please don't care of me. Please don't talk nonsense. Please don't walk baraboot. Please don't hurt anyone. Please don't kill him. Please don't waste time. Please don't throw away his stuff. Please don't misuse your mobile. Please don't keep the fan on.